Hello, my name is Daniela Ferraro and I am with the Jack Coden Group. Welcome to Hibiscus Island, the home of the rich and famous, located next to Miami's South Beach, America's French Riviera. This home, built in 1970 and listed for the first time in 45 years, is located on the only double lot on the island, with 120 feet on the Intercoastal Waterway and a dock which can handle a yacht over 100 feet long. With 21,000 square feet of land, it is the only lot on the island that can be easily divided into two separate lots. Listed for land value, you can purchase this home, build two magnificent new homes, and sell them each for a 30% profit. Hibiscus Island is a gated and exclusive residential community with 24-hour security, centrally located near Miami Beach, downtown, Fisher Island, and with easy access to the best hotspots of Miami, and just 30 minutes away from Miami's International Airport. With the most fabulous northeast views of Biscayne Bay and the beaches, this is the perfect place to call home. Come experience what Miami is all about.